Thank you for joining me. Today, I will introduce the International Master's Program in Software Engineering at the University of Tartu. My name is Hina Anwar, and I'm the director of this program. The entire software engineering program takes place in the Delta building, which is home to the Institute of Computer Science. This modern facility provides an excellent learning environment equipped with advanced technology, spacious lecture halls, seminar rooms, and dedicated workspace for students. The Software Engineering Master's Program prepares students for a career path leading to high-end technical roles such as software analyst, architect, full-stack software engineer, or research engineer, as well as managerial roles including project or team leader. Graduates of these programs are well equipped to join the highly dynamic software industry in Baltics, Northern and Eastern Europe. So let's explore the curriculum of the software engineering program. The nominal study time for the software engineering program is 2 years, divided into 4 semesters. Each semester carries 30 ECTS credits, which corresponds to workload of approximately 800 hours. The study program consists of 7 modules: the base module, the narrow field module, the elective course module, the practical training module, and the optional course module. The Estonian language and culture module reserved for international students, a seminar module, and of course, a module reserved for the master's thesis. The semester abroad module is an option that students may choose in combination with any of the modules other than the base and the narrow field modules typically done during the 3rd semester. Please note that there is a choice between 2 different narrow field modules or specializations. Before I talk about each modules individually, I'll explain on the next slide how the modules are distributed time-wise over the 2 years of studies. So this slide shows the recommended distribution of modules across 2 years of the study period. All courses in the base modules are offered in the 1st semester, which is the fall semester. We expect all incoming students to complete these courses during their 1st semester. By the end of the 1st semester, students should decide on their specialization by choosing one of the 2 narrow field modules, that is Enterprise Software Engineering or Secure System Engineering. The bulk of courses of both specializations are offered during the spring semester. However, there are also some courses you can take during the fall semester. So if you already know at the start of your studies which specialization you prefer, then we recommend taking one course from the narrow field module in parallel with courses of the base module. There is flexibility in courses selection, and it's usually possible to complete both the base module and the chosen narrow field module by the end of the 1st year. Since each module comprises 24 ECTS credits, students have 12 ECTS remainings in the 1st year of courses from the elective course module, optional courses, or the Estonian language and culture module. The long summer break after the 2nd semester can be used to complete all or part of the practical training module. So if you plan to study abroad, the 3rd semester is the ideal time. For example, through the Erasmus Exchange program, you can take courses at a partner university in the EU and transfer credits to your modules. It is also possible to complete an internship abroad and earn credits for the practical training module. The 4th semester is fully reserved for the master thesis project. We recommend starting the thesis in the 3rd semester. 2 seminars offered from the 2nd semester onward help prepare and support the thesis work. On the following slide, I will explain each module in detail. The base module consists of 4 mandatory courses, each worth 6 ECTS credits. These courses must be completed during the 1st semester. Students entering the Masters in Software Engineering program are expected to have solid programming skills and, in many cases, prior experience in the IT industry. The purpose of the base module is to establish a common foundation in modern software development practices. The courses cover the entire life cycle of software development, starting with requirement engineering, moving to system design using advanced modeling techniques, organizing the development process effectively through agile practices, and finally implementing automated software delivery and operations. Completing the base module prepares student for further specialization. Our program offers 2 specialization tracks: Enterprise Software Engineering and Secure System Engineering. I will explain these specializations on the next 2 slides. The first specialization is Enterprise Software Engineering. Enterprise software refers to computer systems designed to meet the need of organizations rather than individual users. These systems are essential for managing and optimizing business operations, including reporting, production processes, back office functions, and so on. Enterprise software typically includes tools for database management, customer relationship management, supply chain management, business process management. Its purpose is to improve efficiency, streamline processes, and enable collaboration across departments. One of the most complex challenges in developing enterprise system is their architecture. For this reason, all the students in the specializations are required to take the course Enterprise System Integration, which addresses this topic in depth. In addition, students select 2 courses from a set of 3 covering business and security aspects, and 1 course from a set of 4 focusing on data analysis, data management, and machine learning. Students may take more than the required 4 courses. Additional courses can be counted towards either the elective course module or the optional courses module. The second specialization is Secure System Engineering. With software integrated into nearly every aspect of life, ensuring its security has become crucial. So this specialization focuses on developing software that is resistant to unauthorized access, manipulation, and data breaches. Students learn how to design and analyze secure software systems that protect sensitive information from unauthorized use while still enabling legitimate access for business, research, or analysis. To complete this module, students must take 3 mandatory courses listed at the top of the slide. These courses cover secure system design, security analysis, and data protection techniques. In addition, students choose 1 course from a set of 4, which includes real-time analysis and management of large dataset, cryptography, verification of functional algorithms, and machine learning. As with the other narrow field module, any additional courses beyond the mandatory 24 ECTS can be counted towards the elective course module or the optional courses module. The elective courses module consists of 12 ECTS credits. The purpose of this module is to allow students to deepen their knowledge in software engineering. By default, student can select any master levels course offered by the Institute of Computer Science, and these courses are clearly marked in the study information system. If there is any uncertainty, students should consult the program director. Courses for the elective module can be taken at any time during the 2-year study period. The optional courses module consists of 6 ECTS credits. Any courses from any field at any level can be used to fill this module. However, international students who do not have prior knowledge of Estonian must take one of the 6 ECTS courses in Estonian language and culture. Like the elective modules, these courses can be taken at any time during the 2-year study period. The practical training module is designed to give students the opportunity to apply what they have learned in real-world situations. There are 3 main ways to complete this module. First, through an internship with a company either in Estonia or abroad in the EU. Depending on the length of the internship, student can earn 6 or 12 ECTS credits before starting. An internship plan must be agreed upon with the company and approved by the program director. At the end, students submit a report. We support students by organizing career days and maintaining a database of internship opportunities, but students are also encouraged to find placements independently. Second, students can assist lecturers as lab supervisors. This involves running lab sessions and grading assignments. Depending upon the workload, this option provides 3 or 6 ECTS credits. Third, students can take project-based courses. So these courses do not include lectures. Instead, students work on projects offered by research groups, companies, or government agencies, such as the city of Tartu, and projects can be completed individually or in teams. The semester abroad modules allows students to spend the third semester studying at another university within the European Union. This module does not add extra credits. Instead, it enables students to take courses abroad and transfer them into their regular study modules. Students choose from a list of partner universities with which the Institute of Computer Science have exchange agreements. This list is extensive and offers many options. Before going abroad, students must consult the university's Study Abroad Center and obtain approval from the program director for the courses they plan to take. With the approval of program director, courses can be transferred into one of the normal study modules. The total workload abroad must be at least 15 ECTS credits. The master's seminar module consists of 2 seminars, each worth 3 ECTS credits. The first seminar focuses on finding, analyzing, and presenting existing knowledge on software engineering topics. The second seminar supports the thesis project, guiding research methods and providing advice on writing the thesis and preparing for the defense. The master thesis is the final component of the program. It carries 30 ECTS credits and is mainly completed during the 4th semester. We recommend starting to think about a thesis topic and supervisor at the end of the first year. By then, you will have met several lecturers and learned about the research group in our institute. Thesis projects can take different forms. They may involve a literature review, a survey study, a scientific experiment, or an engineering project that involves developing a complex software system. Projects can be linked to company work or to research conducted by the supervisor. The latter is common for students who plan to continue to doctoral studies. But whatever your goal, whether in industry or academia, it is essential to discuss potential topics with potential supervisors. To help, we provide a database of thesis topics offered by faculty and local companies. Students can also propose their own ideas and develop them together with the lecturer and, if relevant, a company or a government partner. So this concludes my presentation. My name is Hina Anwar and my email address is shown on this slide if you have any further questions. You can also find more information about the Institute of Computer Science and the International Master's Program in Software Engineering on our social media website and social media channels including Facebook and LinkedIn. For Estonian and EU citizens, tuition fee reductions are available. Details about eligibility and application can be found on the University of Tartu website. Thank you for listening and hope to see you in Tartu.